Ronaldo became the first person to reach 500 million followers on Instagram. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Portugal and Manchester United star Ronaldo has become the first person ever to reach 500 million followers on the social media platform Instagram. The Manchester United player, who has came under fire after a recent interview with Piers Morgan, is officially the most followed individual on the planet so far. His closest competition is football rival Lionel Messi, who trails him by 124 million followers. Cristiano Ronaldo have an estimated net worth of $115 million. The two stars in a recently unveiled ad campaign by French fashion outlet Louis Vuitton. Ronaldo became the most followed Instagrammer after surprisingly passing Kylie Jenner back in September 2021. He is set to feature in this year's staging of the FIFA World Cup held in Qatar. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Thanks for watching.